Hi, it's me. I'm going to show you how to download Cursor Mania on your computer. Cursor Mania. Hit on this, as if this comes up, which it should. Then this page should come up. And then you hit download free cursors now, because there's like tons, there's 10,000 plus. That's some good stuff. See, look, even look at my mouse right here, that's pretty cool. And then you click to start, and you should get a yellow bar up here, and then click install to get Cursor here. And you should get this here. It's off, and that's how you do it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, please. Bye.